So I'm Simon Slaghter. I'm the CEO of EFM Logistics. Obviously, we operate in an industry where logistics technology is a major threat to our industry, and so it's something we take a keen interest in given our positioning as a technology-enabled services provider. So obviously part of my role as the CEO is to scan the horizon for any possible threats and opportunities, and inviting Shara to present at our annual Sales and Leadership Conference was an opportunity to give the rest of the team the time to really absorb the information, as there is a lot of it, and when I deliver it, I don't do it nearly as concisely as what Shara does. The presentation was excellent. I guess in just over an hour to deliver that much content in such a meaningful manner was really refreshing, and I think everyone left pretty refreshed and kind of inspired by what you said, really, because it's pretty cool. So yeah, I really appreciate your time today. Thanks very much.